What's going on, guys? Today we're going to the Anthracite region of Pennsylvania and we're going to explore the Mahanoy Plain. It's a bunch of these old ruins that sits on an old railroad plain. I'm not sure when it shut down, but we're going to go there, we're going to check it out. There's a couple railroad cars there, I believe, and there's a tunnel, so stay tuned for the adventure. Woo! It's already hot out. This is going to be an awesome time today. Well, after some confusion, we finally found this place.
Yeah, thanks to me.
Thanks to Witzel, next to a Little League field. Very interesting. Well, after about a literal 2-minute walk, we actually found the ruins right away. Well, we found a very easy way to get into this place. It really sucks to see such a cool, old, abandoned place be absolutely littered with graffiti and trash, but regardless, this place is still awesome. So right behind me, we found old train cars, and I believe this plane used to actually load up coal here because it's in the Anthracite region, and then it would move it elsewhere from here. That was a little sketchy. We're making it down there. He's too afraid to come up here. Well, I realized if I go in here, I'm not getting back down. I'm pretty high up. This is what it looks like on the inside of here. Well, I'm going to be brutally honest about this place. It's absolutely sick, but
pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, but there's way too much trash, way too much graffiti. Kind of ruins the historical value of this place. So we're going to go find some waterfalls. They're called Newtown Waterfalls, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Well, we're trying to find these waterfalls, and this is a super sketchy place to park. Now we're going to be walking on the road, also super sketchy. Hopefully we find this place. This just looks absolutely insane. I don't know if this is going to take us to the waterfall, man. Oh, this is definitely an adventure, because I really have never been on a trail quite like this.
They literally mowed everything down.
Yeah.
Looks to me like the county landfill bought this and
Kind of just
cleared it out.
Turned it into deforestation. After some confusion, looks like we're finally on the right trail. Alright, so we actually found the waterfall. And it looks like that we can fly our drones here. guys think? Do you think this place was worth it? Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah, it's definitely worth
Well, this place was definitely a hidden gem. Definitely coming back here in the future, probably during fall time. What do you
it.
think?
A little bit of a harder hike to find, but once you find the hike, it's nice.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
But this is awesome. No trash.
Yeah, no trash
Definitely
at all.
a hidden
Yeah.
gem.
All right, well, that concludes today's adventure. Thank you guys for following along.